Okay, hello my lovely flowers. This is me, Nia, and I'm going to show you what I got you from Trader Joe's. We're going to make a centerpiece out of it. Here we go. This couple of weeks or a couple of times you see me, we're going to be doing a series on Trader Joe's wedding. It's from Trader Joe's. I think it was $10 for it. It's a little old because I was supposed to make this video a long time ago. How much is it? Yeah, so it was $9.99. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how we can make all the things that we need from one of these. Alright, so here's whatever. We got the stuff from Trader Joe's. We did our tic-tac-toe. Hopefully you guys seen videos on that. And then I had this one already ready. We're going to add in our water. So what I'm saying is that you do these centerpieces the day before. We're just going to add in the water. And then I suggest you put in a few taps of bleach. And that will kill any bacteria. You don't have to go and buy anything. So I have this. So what we're going to do first is we're going to put in the greenery. So all I do is just, I start from the middle. If you guys ever seen a video on how I make my my everyday floral, we're just basically going to do that. So we're going to take our greens and we're going to toss them, not toss them, we're going to put them in. So we got all our greens. We're going to take our lemon leaf. We're going to cut it and add it. Add it in there. This is going to give us the look. And then now we're going to take our flowers and we're just going to take, I'm personally going to cut some of these. Put them in. That right there. We're going to put that on the side. Sorry, you guys. I'm going to sit this over. I think I'm going to cut this just a little bit lower. Yeah. Some more. Uh-oh. And we're just going to put it on every corner. Now this Trader Joe pack came with 3, but 1 died. Because I've been waiting a whole week to do this. Rather 2 weeks. But it's been in my floral refrigerator. So yes, y'all, these been lasting for 2 weeks. And these right here are not the focal flowers. They're more of the, what would you call, the secondary flowers. Yeah, I guess you would say that. Okay, so now that I have these in there, we are going to take, it came with 2 of these, but I used it on my boutonniere. Pulled it out of the boutonniere. So whatever. And then we have our Gerber daisies that we're going to put in here. I was trying to make a bouquet, but it wasn't, I wasn't feeling it. And normally we would do 3, 2, your eyes count. But since I told you my other Gerber died, we can't use hers. Now that we have all that in, we're going to put in our wax flower. And I'm just going to cut it to the design, to the size we want to go to. tons of this. I normally pay about for this amount of wax flower. So I'm just cutting, filling it in around spots that are hollow. All right, there you have it, my friends. This is our lovely, bouquet, not bouquet, centerpiece. Very simple, very easy. I wish I had the third Gerber, because I probably would have put it right. Probably would have put it about right somewhere right here. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.